This is a brief summary of a Pixel PCOP pre-wired fixture and how to test it. You've got a power supply here, 120 cord, and the power supply that goes to the COP itself. So you're going to take this and you're going to plug it into the secondary port here, which is the JCOP port. You'll take the other, plug it into your outlet. You have an on-off switch here, and you'll see the boot up, power, the LEDs, the LCD on, doing a boot up routine. Once the system's up, the highlighted COP local diagnostics is lit. You're going to go to the knob and push in on it. That's going to navigate you into the diagnostics. If you look here, the IO number 1 is highlighted, and we're going to activate each IO one at a time. In this case, we have a 10 stop, so we have 10 car calls for these IOs. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you're looking at the COP now, they're all lit, and we're going to deactivate the outputs by pressing on them again. Hold in, 2, 3, and if you're looking at the screen itself, you'll watch the input activate and the output will turn off after the activation of the input. So that's all of our car calls. So now we're going to navigate over to the outputs to test the outputs. And you do the same thing by you selecting GEU, GED, PG, FWI, 85X, or NDB. And activating them, and you can see an LED that corresponds to the output, but your device should also turn on. To turn it back off, all you have to do is press it in again, navigate to the next one, FWI, that's the fire warning buzzer, 85X, which is your fire light, your nudging buzzer, and then we're going to go to your inputs. So for your inputs, you just go to the device itself. So in this case, the first one there is the call cancel. So as I push the call cancel input, we can see the corresponding FCC input activated. As I release it, it goes out. For the fire phase 2 switch, off, hold, on, hold, off. Then we go to, there's no door hold in this case, but door close button, the other door close button, door open button, the other door open button, independent service. All other inputs and switches for inspection are done discreetly, so you're going to have to go to the terminals to the top to do continuity tests with the multimeter. That concludes the pre-wire testing of a PCOP.